Welcome to Wudkwency Artistry. We are introducing a timeless woodworking project, the Wooden Keepsake Chest. Designed with built-in hinges for smooth functionality, this elegant chest is perfect for storing precious memories, gifts, or personal treasures, while adding a touch of craftsmanship to any space. You can download the free PDF pattern for scroll saw cutting and DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. The download link is available in the description.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.